there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to monetize your blog. And the way that this works is you'll have different ads placed on your blog, and you'll start generating revenue from those ads, similar to monetization on YouTube. You're getting paid through the ads if you're in the YouTube monetization partner program. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all a walkthrough process of how to monetize your blog using Google AdSense. I'm going to be showing you how to do this right from your phone. It takes less than 10 minutes. So again, if you're interested, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. All right, so you're going to go to Blogger or blogspot.com. You're going to pull up your current blog. And what you want to do is make sure that everything looks presentable before you go ahead and monetize it. And if it does, then you want to click on the three lines in the top left corner, and it's going to give you some options. You want to click on the option that says earnings with the $sign. And if you logged into your BlogSpot account through your Google account and they're both connected, then it will notify you or notice that you have an AdSense account and give you an option to go ahead and connect it. So all you have to do is choose connect AdSense. If it's not connected, then you can add your AdSense information in. But mine is connected because I'm a part of the YouTube monetization program. So we're just going to go ahead and click add AdSense. From there, you can go to your AdSense account and review information. And, just make sure that everything looks correct for that and for your AdSense too, like the payment methods, the addresses and everything like that. So if you go over to your Google AdSense account, it's going to say this: let's get you started. Just follow the steps to start earning with ads. So you're going to first make sure your profile is complete, and also check to make sure that the website that you're wanting to monetize is your BlogSpot website. So as you can see, mine says keepingupwithbrittany.com. That's a website that I'm thinking of doing away with, actually. So I'm not going to add my ads to that website, but I'm going to go ahead and add my BlogSpot URL. So I'm going to just click that, and gives me an option to add another website. So my website URL for BlogSpot is brittnybundles.blogspot.com. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in and click save. Okay, and then you also can explore how the ads are going to look on your site, and you can also go ahead and connect your site to AdSense. You need to connect your site to AdSense if you want to start getting paid through AdSense. So it says here, Blogger will connect your site to AdSense. You go ahead and click that. And then there's some terms and conditions that you want to read through to make sure that you're okay with BlogSpot having access to your AdSense. And then you go ahead and click request review. All right, and then it's also going to prompt you to choose some different verbiage on how to collect consent from different users. I went ahead and just chose the one to the far right. You can always go back and update this, I believe, but it's consent for the management platform, CPM. Not going to get too technical with that, but I just went ahead and chose the one on the right side, furthest right. And then once you click that, you can go ahead and choose submit, or you can decide to do remind me later, but I just wanted to get this done and the ball rolling. So at this point, you can read some more information on getting your blog ready to show ads. Make sure that your user or publisher ID is correct, and that I always write mine down just to be able to reference it if I need to. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my Google AdSense account. Just make sure that everything is filled out. You can see that it says thanks for connecting your site. Also, you can choose how you want the ads to show up. So you can look at different overlay formats and in-page formats, and, just ultimately customize how you want the ads laid out on your blog. So here is my blog, and you can also choose to have automatic ads, which I just went ahead and turned on. And that's pretty much it. You'll see at the top of the page, it says, nice work. You've completed all of the steps, and you just wait for the review to process. I'm not sure how long the review takes, but the last time that I did this, it was a few years ago. I don't remember it being too long. I don't remember me waiting weeks or even months. I think the review was completed within 5 to 7 business days, to be honest. So Not sure how long it takes, but if you do know the exact time frame, please link it or leave a comment down below. I was going to say link the information down below, but whatever, just go ahead and leave the information down below. I'm sure it will help someone out there. I would also like to know as well. And if we aren't able to find it, then I'll go ahead and do some additional research or just Google it and see what I come up with, and I'll have it in the comments below as well. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. I really hope that this helped. I really hope that if it didn't help with your blog, that it still got the wheels turning on some different websites maybe that you can use to monetize. And I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.